Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video we are making this delicious egg sauce that your family and friends would definitely enjoy, trust me, and it doesn't take much time to do, so let's get right into it. To a heated pan I add some oil and then my chopped onions. I'll leave this to fry for some minutes before I add the next ingredient. So over here I have a blend of scotch bonnet pepper, an onion and some garlic. I add this to the mix and then stir it all together. When that has fried for about 3 minutes, I add my chopped tomatoes. I use about 7 or so for the sauce. I'll cover it and leave it to boil for about 5 minutes, and in this time the tomatoes will start to release its juices. To season the salt, I used 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. I found that it was perfect for what I was going for. I didn't even have to add salt to it. I decided to add some mackerel to my sauce. You can play around with any protein of choice. The eggs on its own is fine, but if you're adventurous like me, you'd want to introduce other stuff to it. So I used mackerel and corned beef in this case. I also used some curry powder for aroma. What I love about this sauce is that it can be had at any time of the day, and it pairs very well with banku, rice, boiled yam, kinky, virtually anything that you want, bread even, and it's easy on the pocket too. Next up, I'll add the corned beef and then the eggs. Once these last ingredients go in, I'll reduce the fire and then leave it to do its thing. The whole goal is for the water to reduce in the stew and then the oil to form on top of it. That's how we'll know that it's ready. I began with 5 eggs, but then I realized it wasn't enough because after all it's egg sauce, so that has to be the star of the show. I ended up adding 3 more to it. With the first set of eggs, I left them whole, but in the next batch, I beat them and then added it to it. I decided to have boiled yam with my sauce, so I've already gone on ahead to peel the yams. I've added some salt to water, and I'm adding my yam. I'll leave this to cook until it's tender. As you can see, the sauce is coming along beautifully. There's still some water in there, so I just give it a stir and then cover it still on low heat and then leave it to cook. All the oil has formed on top of the sauce and most of the water has evaporated, so that's how we know that it's ready. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe if you enjoyed this or you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.